Let's grow some hair. Woo! All right, y'all, good morning. It is finally day 4, the day I'm getting the hair transplant. I'm so excited. It's currently 7:15 a.m. The driver of the van is coming to pick us up at 7:30, and we still need to get some breakfast, so we're running a little bit late. But I'm very excited. I'm a little sore from yesterday. We explored the city. It's go time, baby. The second and final hair transplant. I can't believe it. Dude, low-key, I'm kind of rocking the buzz right now after they shaved it, kind of. Let's go. It's go. I'm nervous. I'm nervous to go through this again, but I've done it before, and it's the last time. And I know what's going to come from it, so I'm super excited. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. All right, we're heading down to get breakfast right now. We literally have like 7 minutes to just shove something down my throat real quick. I don't... Pause. Pause. We need to eat quick. And luckily, I don't really want to eat too much anyway. I don't want to be like stuffed for this. There we go. This is where I'm rocking with, boys. We got 2 minutes to eat all this. I got an egg, some little mini pancakes, some sausage, croissant, 2 pieces of toast. Let's dive in. All right, guys, 7:32. Pretty much done. Hammered it down. Greatest lock-in of all time. 2 minutes late. That's okay, though. We're about to walk over. Let's do it. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Go time. Man gave now, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Next time I leave this building, I will have had my second hair transplant. Let's get it. Time for the consultation.
We're gonna take some pictures of your grafts.
I'm gonna have to like clarify in the video because there's gonna be people that like will see like day 4 but they haven't seen day 1 and they're gonna be like, this guy's fully bald again. I thought he got a transplant last year. No worry, we just shaved my head like 2 days ago when I got the stem cell treatment. It grows, and now it's about to grow a lot better. So I can't wait.
Looks normal.
Does it actually look pretty good right now?
It just looks like you got a buzz cut, that's it.
Like a buzz cut, that's kind of sick.
How are you? How are you?
Good to see you, good. So that's why, since this is my last one, I just want to make sure at least this is the thickest as possible because I'm perfectly fine with throwing some hair fibers in the back or something like that if I have to.
Now we are gonna fill all the gaps you have there and put the remaining to the front like we discussed in the first.
Thank you. Okay, so we just did my consultation, and basically I'm really focused on getting the front as most filled as possible. So this is gonna be my last transplant. This is the most grafts I can put on the top of my head. So they're gonna put the maximum they can in the front to make it dense, and whatever's left over is gonna be put in the back. The back of my head might be a little light still, which is fine by me. I care more about the front, even if I gotta throw some hair fibers in the back or something. It is what it is, but I'm excited. I gotta do this paperwork, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, paperwork's all signed. Time to go downstairs. Get it going. Let's do this thing. Final hair transplant. I'm excited. Let's do it. It's a great fit. It's time to take it off though. We'll have it back on after my head's operated on. Ready? We're gonna flash into a new fit. 3, 2, yeah, check me out. Feel great, feel good. I can't believe it's happening. Second hair transplant, baby. Let's go get operated on. Nick is gonna have to go soon. I'm gonna have my phone, so what I'm gonna do is when you have a little break in between and I get a little bite like I did last time, I'll try to give you guys an update. I'm sure they'll give it to me. Wish me luck. See you guys soon.
What happened there?
I had no pants on, and they're like, you can keep your pants on, we're operating on your head. Alright, fair enough. I had underwear on, don't worry, I'm not that weird. Anyway, let's get to it.
And we're done. It's gonna dissolve there.
Okay.
And it will taste horrible, so you can have some juice.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Yucky, you know what I mean? I'm heading over, it's time for the transplant. Next time you see me, I'll be mid-operation, and I'm extremely excited because this is what we play for. This is what we've been waiting for. It's go time. See you guys soon. Love y'all. Thanks for the support. Let's do it. Okay guys, so all the grafts have been extracted, and the next step in the process is they're gonna create little channels on the top of my head to put the grafts in. My head is already numb at this point as well, and now we get like a little 15-minute lunch break. I got some chicken here, a little chicken sandwich, some juice, some water, and I don't know exactly what this is, but oh, I think it's a little dessert. That's pretty cool. As far as the pain, honestly, was not as bad as I expected it to be. I feel like almost like I've been here before. I was very nervous this time, almost more nervous than last time. You know, obviously it hurts, it definitely hurts, but it only lasts like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're not in pain at all. Now I'm excited because I remember last time after the lunch break, I get to just sit on my back and lay down a different way instead of laying on my stomach, which is less comfortable. So now I get to relax. I'll probably even fall asleep. Got about 4 hours left, 4.5 hours left of the operation, and then we will be done. So I'll catch up with you guys once the transplant is all done, and I'll show you how it looks. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How we doing? Check me out. Check me out. All the way. Look at everything. The front and the crown. You believe that? They thought they were only going to be able to do 2,500 grafts, but as a pleasant surprise, they were able to safely extract 3,400 grafts. So they put 2,100 in the front, and they put 1,300 in the crown. So very exciting stuff. It's looking like this result might even be better than we already expected it to be. So, you know, obviously we're going to be realistic. I'm not going to be able to grow hair like this guy can, but after this, I should be able to have a hairstyle and have it look fairly well. So I'm very excited. But anyway, we got to go have a little meeting here. She's going to tell me some aftercare stuff. Same stuff we did last year, but it's good to refresh. Come along with me. I'm feeling good. It took like 8 hours, but I'll get more into the details when we get back in the hotel. Let's do it.
Called to 45-degree sleeping position.
Wait, so I don't have to sleep at a 90-degree angle?
No.
That's
That's how you know.
last
It's
year.
45. No, it's 45.
Oh, wow. Okay. I love that. Awesome. That's awesome. Okay.
Yeah, more comfy.
Thank
right?
you. I appreciate that.
As
Thank
you can see, you can put pillows behind your back.
Okay.
And this one is mandatory for sure. Please don't consume alcohol and cigarettes for 7 days because you're taking antibiotic.
Yeah.
Drinking coffee is fine, but you should drink coffee with milk.
Okay.
Like light ones, like latte, cappuccino.
Okay. I was like more nervous this time around than I was last time around for the pain for some reason. And I was blown away about how it really isn't that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, it hurts like really bad for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's completely fine. Like, so I was like, I'm not even kidding. When I sat down, I was like, oh, I have to go through this again. I was like, I can't believe I gotta do this again. It started, and I was like, oh, this sucks. But then, like, right away, it was done, and I could just relax. And the reason why I say that is because I've seen people comment before, and they're like, it's the worst pain I've ever felt in my entire life. And I'm just like, I think a lot of people are just pansies, I'm not gonna lie. But it gave me the new method, which is DHI as well, where instead of like implanting it individually, like with like by hand, there's a specific pen that creates a smaller incision, and that makes it so it can get closer and more dense. It's like the best method of transplants right now. Check it out. The crown and the front.
That's insane.
The grand finale is here. Heading back to the hotel now. I feel like Batman right now, the way I can't move my neck. But it's alright. Feeling good right now. About to go back. Might even do a little live stream for you guys. Say hello. I'm sure y'all are gonna be buzzing when you see my head right now. Gonna be giggling. Anyway, let's do it. Talk soon. Bye-bye. Back. Oh, it didn't beep.
I know.
You know what? It might only beep for bald people, but it knows that I'm good now and I'm set. So it was like, this guy doesn't need a beep. You know what I mean? I'm thinking that's what it was about. It was a beautiful hotel. And it's crazy because you think, like, we can see a reflection up there, and all the reflection can see up there is a shit ton of follicles in the top of my head. Like, I mean, like, what are we talking about? I'm gonna go upstairs right now, go to the room. Me and Nick are going to order room service and get a chicken wrap. And I'm going to make a TikTok for you people. I'm getting comments being like, it's been 3 days, where you at? As if I didn't say I wasn't gonna upload while I was here because I'm busy getting my head chopped up. But I'll give you guys a little update, so let's do it. Oh, hey guys, we just got some grub. Let's see what we're rocking. It's a classic, the chicken wrap. Oh my gosh, for those who remember, this is exactly what we got like 3 times last time we were here, just because it's so good and I haven't gotten it yet. So I figured after I just got chopped up, It's time to enjoy Old Reliable. So let's watch this disappear in 3, 2, 1. Yummy in my tummy. Yeah, I didn't eat all my veggies. It's on his plate. Yeah, not gonna lie. I did eat the cucumbers though, but I'm not trying to eat just lettuce and I'm not a big straight tomato guy. I'll put it on a burger or like a taco, but I'm not just gonna eat tomato like an apple. Anyway, I just got a text from the driver about tomorrow. And he said, tomorrow your driver will pick you up for your hotel for your OxyCure session at 9 o'clock. After the session is finished, you will go back to the hotel to get some rest. And your driver will pick you up from your hotel again at 13:30, so 1:30 p.m. for the hair wash and laser treatment. So Vera Clinic reposted my story on their Instagram, but they liked it so much that they shared it twice. Don't know why, but thank you. Look, ready? Oh, that's me. Do you like it? Well, let's see it again. Okay. I guess I just got the sauce. I gotta turn like this. It's not as cool. It doesn't have as much aura right now. But tomorrow I'll be able to use my neck a bit more. No Diddy. And been a lot of pauses today. A lot of pauses. I gotta resume. You know what I mean? What's up, y'all? We had the hotel bring us some more pillows so I can actually lean back and kind of relax and not have to worry about my head hitting the back of the wall. And it's starting to hit now that I got a hair transplant and my entire head is 1,000 big holes, or some would say.
It's swelling crazy.
Is it? Yeah, it's starting to swell. I can feel it. Doesn't feel great, but I will say I'm kind of comfy. I found a comfy spot as long as I don't move from here. I don't know what else I'll film today. Might be it. I don't know. I'm tired. Probably going to fall asleep. Don't know when I'll wake up. Maybe I'll wake up. Probably will. It's kind of early. Thank you guys for all the support. Tomorrow we got a big day, and then the next day we fly out. And, yeah, so we're in recovery mode now. It's not too bad. You just got to deal with the motions. 10 days of this, but first few days are the worst. We're here, baby. This is what we play for. I love y'all. I'll see you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to end the night. I'm going to tuck myself into bed here and take my clothes off in a second. Do my best to get some sleep. I'm in a lot of pain right now. Not really pain, I guess. More just uncomfortableness. But, like, it's like a type of pain, I guess, just because it's like, you know, think about it. My whole head besides my face is operated on right now, so I almost feel like I'm, like, enclosed in an operation box. Anyway, I'm not even, like, this might sound gross as hell. Judge me if you want, but I'm not even brushing my teeth tonight, bro. There's no way I can brush, spit it out, clean my mouth. Like, no, I don't care. I genuinely don't care. I'll try it in the morning, and because I have to, because my breath will stink. But, like, I'm going to be, like, spitting it like this. Don't make an edit of that. That was weird. All right. Anyway, good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Love y'all. Thank you for the support. Chrishairjourney, out. Here's a very attractive video that Nick got of me sleeping the first night. And anyway, stay tuned for day 5, where I get my first hair wash. I get the OxyCure therapy and some red light laser therapy. Basically all the aftercare that they give you before you end up flying out and going home. It was a great experience. Thank you guys for coming along with the ride, and I'll see you guys soon.